Hi.
Hi there.
The Roaming Rountees are about to start roaming again. It's gonna be really, really cool. So we got a lot of fun places to go.
Yeah, it's been quiet for a little while. We've been hanging out back here in the States
With family and
with some family, helping out
friends.
where we were needed. So, but all that, yeah, it's about to change. We're about ready to get back on the road, and we're excited, and we're going to bring you with us.
Yes, and that packing video I know several of you have asked about. That's coming this week, so good news. It is going to finally get published this week. So look for that. If you haven't already, subscribe so that you can follow our adventures and come with us. And feel free to ask us questions or let us know what you think. We're open to what you'd like to see more of. And
Yeah, give us some ideas on other videos or other topics you'd like us to talk about or touch on. We'd be happy to do that, but sometimes we just don't think of them until you bring them up.
Yes. So we look forward to bringing you along with us on these adventures for the rest of the year and beyond. So take care and come roam with us.
And please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. With some...
We've been on the lam.
We've been running from the law.
Been running from the law. Haven't been hiding out. Now we're in Mexico.
Yeah. Ditching a $92 hospital bill in Spain.
Okay. To catch you up on what's been going on with us lately.
Yeah, we haven't checked in a while, and it's kind of been... Damn it. Damn it.
I know it's been a while. It's been a while, hasn't it?
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
How y'all doing?
No, that you can't ask them a question.
I'm waiting. Don't be rude. Okay.
Speak up.